Hello, year 5. This is part 2 video of Unit 9, Lesson 5. So get ready with learner's book, page number 134 to 135, and activity book, page number 108 to 109, and with your copy books. Now, get back to learner's book, page number 136, activity 7, write. Write a verse about the animals you are sure you can't keep in your house. Try to make words in line 2 or line 4 rhyme. That you can't keep, and you have to write down like a poem, like a verse, like I can't keep a, so it should be like rhyming word. Okay, if you want to get example, just you can go through the poem, or you can write your, go to the net, find the words which is rhyming that you can keep at home, that animal. Okay, like I can't keep a cat, I can't keep a bat, I can't keep a rat, I can't keep a, just like that. So you can just make a rhyming word. So do it and send it to me. And activity 8, now over to you. Learner's book, page number 136. Over to you. Find out information about one of the animals you haven't heard of before in the poem. Write a paragraph about and find a picture. You need to find out, like they have given here example. You can see here the example of the rabbit. Yeah. Right, like this you need to write down. Find another animal which is not specified in the poem. Find another animal from the net and write about this, like type of animal, what it is, what is the diet, what he eats, what is habitat, where he lives, and what is the behavior. You need to, and what is the character of that animal. So you need to find one animal from the net, and you need to write down your copy and send me in the class dojo. Now activity now 9, read and listen learner's book, page number 137, CD to track 24. So you need to read and listen to this example of animals alliteration. Match with the correct illustration. What do you notice about the words? So you're going to read it. Okay. Now 9, read. So I'm going to tell you. So just listen carefully and tell me which one does it match. Like first one, does it a leopard, or does it a lion? There is a leopard is eating some cheese and lion is flying. So which does it match? Whether it the 1 and 2 sentence match to the A picture or B picture. So listen carefully. Larry. Number 1. Larry, the lucky lion, laughed loudly as he leaped over Lucy the lazy lizard while she lovingly licked a lemon lollipop. Number 2. Charlie, the cheerful cheetah, chews a chew cheese and cherries as he chomped his chops. So, which one is matching? It's so easy. I think the one is B and A is 2. Okay, just you can write it here. One is here, B, and A is 2 is A. Okay, just you can write it down. Now activity 10, choose learner's book, page number 137. Choose the correct definition for alliteration. The words all rhyme. B, the main words all start with the same sound. So choose the correct definition for the alliteration. What do you think? Which is the correct one? Is the A or B? You need to choose for the activity 9. Which one it is? It is the words are all rhyming, or the main words all start with the same sound? It is B, the main words are all start with the same sound. Yes, check your answer in the next slide. So get back to activity book, page number 109. Choose your favorite animal from the poem. Draw a picture of it, find out and complete the information. So you choose your favorite animal. Okay, you need to draw the picture of it in this box. Okay, and then you need to write details about that animal. My favorite animal is the type of animal, what he eats, what is habitat, where he lives, and what are character and how he behaves. Okay, you need to do it by yourself. Write and send me the picture on the class. And let's get back to learner's book, page number 137. Look at the guide below, then copy and complete the table. You don't have to think of word for every column. So look at the guide below. You can see the guide here down. Copy the and complete the table. So you need to copy this table in your copybook, and you don't have to think of a word for every column. No need to think for each and column, just whatever you knows. Okay, so you need to do it in your copybook, this one, and set small any just write down any name of the animals, then what is color, what is shape, what is size. If you can remember. No need to, if you don't know some of the size or shape, it's okay, no problem. No need to write each and every word. Whatever you know, just write it down. Okay, You can even get the help from the net. So you need to draw this column in your copybook. Now activity 12, write learner's book page number 137. Write your own animal illustration. Use the guide to help you and draw a picture of illustrate your illustration. I think the same thing. It's write your own animal, write down what he's doing, like what we did in activity. You know, if you go to activity, this one, activity 9. So how they have described the animals, what they're doing, that like cheetah and the lion. So you need to make like this own. So you need to draw the picture like he's eating, like he's doing funny, and you need to write your own. If you need help, just go to the activity 9 and just get the help from it, but choose another other animals. Okay, you have to do this in your copybook. Let's go to next. And now 13, activity 13, values. Taking care of animal. Discuss the question in the group. I think this one would have been better if I have in the class, so we'll skip this. And get back to activity book now, page number 109. Taking care of animals. Write a list of things in your notebook you have learned about caring for animals. You need to write down a list, like how do you care your animals. You need to write down, we have to feed them, we have to take care of nicely, you need to give a good food, you need to give a neat and clean cage. So how? So you need to write down how to take care. So you need to write down in your copy, then send me on the class dojo. And thank you so much for listening. If you have any doubt, contact me on the class dojo or in my email, and just send me the clear picture on the class dojo. Thank you so much once again.